Hey, good afternoon. Bob with Trade Genius here. It's the 20th of May, and I want to show you a couple of the strategic metals. And we have this is the Rare Earth Strategic Metals Fund. If you go back to 2010, I'll show you that chart in a minute. Chinese tried to punish Japan and set the price of rare earths to the moon, and the stock price of this ETF went through the roof. And so people have been thinking this is going to happen here. This is the last 100 days. We've had, one, two, three, four, five, six attempts to get this thing launched, and with basically one, two confirmations, and now we got a third confirmation here today with this push higher. And I think it's pretty good. Uh, if you set a stop at $13 and take this trade and see if you can run this bad boy up to looking at here $19. It breaks through this range here. Looks like things are getting more serious. The Premier G went to a rare earth facility today, and I'm going to just back up and just show you a monthly on this thing and blow you away about how high this thing could go. Okay. So last time we had a shortage in the market is this thing shot up to over $1. So chance for a 700% move if things really heat up. And even on a monthly standpoint, it's my money flow indicator hit. I had another buy signal here hit 3 months ago, and now we're starting to get some confirmation in this thing. So it's going to be pretty interesting to watch. The other one I'm watching is because I think one thing about this one here is this is more than just a uranium play. Let me go back out to the daily. There's an opportunity here for this thing to push up higher too. It's bottom of its channel. We bought back in at 268 and getting a confirmation on the move here and see if we can get this thing pushed higher. They're vanadium producers, the only one in the United States, in addition to the uranium, which they're not selling because they're waiting to see if President Trump will sign an order basically saying that this is a protected strategic asset and we can't allow dumping into the market to lower prices to knock out competitors. So just keep an eye on this one. This was also very low risk. If you just put your stop 1% below here, I think you're going to be in pretty good shape. And then I just said, well, hey, let me take a look at lithium if all these other ones are flying up, and lithium's still puking. I think people are realizing that lithium's really not all that rare. And this thing's really coming down hard. Now, it may make for an oversold bounce here pretty soon, so keep an eye on it. But right now, it's struggling. Gap down. So we'll just see what it tries to do here. So anyway, I thought I'd share these with you and check out the what's going on in the market. I have GOLD, and I think that thing's bottoming out here pretty nicely. Been selling calls against it. Didn't sell any yet this week or for this week going into next week because I'm waiting to see if this movement I'm getting is going to play out or not, or if do I need to sell push out 2 weeks and sell the 1250s. I'm still debating. My price is 1281 on this, and but beyond that is FCX is still struggling, and it looks a lot like lithium, doesn't it? And so just something to keep in mind here. Some of the other miners are starting to try to bottom out as well. So this is gold's day. And I think gold's ready to make another run higher too. So we'll just keep an eye on it. These go. A lot of people are shorting these things, so it'd be a chance to make them cover, and so we can get some nice movement here and make some profit, and then see whether or not it has any legs or not. But anyway, thanks for listening. I'll catch you guys later. And yeah, that's it. See ya. Bye.